Hey guys, this is Mike and I'm so excited to be here today to talk to you about the latest achievement in DigiByte application development. We're talking DigiCafe, a point-of-sale application for the DigiByte blockchain. Now vendors, merchants, and retailers can quickly and easily accept DigiByte as payment for their goods and services. DigiByte, of course, is the fastest, most secure, and most decentralized digital asset in the blockchain space today, with transaction notifications in 1 to 2 seconds and on-chain confirmations within 15 seconds. DigiByte is a SegWit-activated UTXO blockchain that is already lightning fast without needing the Lightning Network. It can currently handle 560 transactions per second and is scaled to double every 2 years till the year 2035, where it will handle 280,000 transactions per second. DigiCafe is available as a native app for both Android and iOS devices, as well as a progressive web app. For today's demonstration, we will be using the native app for the Android device, as the native apps do offer more robust features, such as a programmable menu. The native apps for DigiCafe are available for download for free from the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store. The beauty in the DigiCafe application is in its sleekness and in its simplicity. It's a business tool which allows you to quickly total items in dollars, converts that number into DigiByte, processes the transaction, and then sends the digital assets to an external DigiByte wallet. This is very important, as no funds ever need to be stored here at the point of sale, adding to its security, a hallmark of the DigiByte blockchain. For today's demonstration, we will be using a total of 3 devices. This here is a Chromebook, which although technically is a different operating system, many Android applications, including DigiCafe, are fully functional. This Android device over here has a DigiByte mobile wallet installed. This will be our sending wallet, as if we were the customer paying for our purchase upon checkout. This Android device over here is our receiving wallet. Again, DigiCafe is a pass-through or non-custodial service, so you can send the funds to a wallet on the other side of the room or to a wallet on the other side of the world. Now before we begin, we will need to get the public address from our receiving wallet into our DigiCafe application settings. In order to do this, we just simply click on the Receive tab, then tap on the button that says Share. Then we want to tap on the icon on the far right. This copies the text of our public address onto the clipboard of the device. Then we simply paste it into an email, send it to ourselves, open our email here on the Chromebook, and then copy-paste into our DigiCafe application settings. The DigiByte mobile wallets, which we are using for today's demonstration, create what are known as legacy addresses, and they start with the letter D. Down in the description box, you'll find a link to all kinds of DigiByte wallets. But whichever one you use for DigiCafe, make sure it creates a legacy address that starts with the letter D. And for more information about the DigiByte mobile wallets, check out our video, The Amazing DigiByte Mobile Wallet for the Android and iOS mobile devices. Here at the top of the settings page, we've included our business name. Below that is our email address. This will allow us to email a copy of the receipt to our customers after their purchase, which includes the transaction ID on the DigiByte blockchain. Below that is the public address for our receiving wallet. And then we have a currency selection. We'll just leave that at USD, but DigiCafe does have the option to select from 32 other currencies. Next, we also have the option to include local sales tax on the transaction. We'll leave that at 0.10 because yes, here in Los Angeles, California, we pay 10% tax on almost everything we buy. As always, taxation is theft. Now we're ready to start a transaction. Here at the top of the screen, we just select Add Item. And here at the very top, we can enter a new item by entering the price. Let's do $1. And for the description, we'll add a Kit Kat candy bar. And DigiCafe has the option to save the item within a searchable menu. So we just select Save Item. Now it will show up in our full menu, so we type in Hit for a search. There it is. We'll click on it to add it to our shopping cart. Now we have the option to either total the order or add more items. So let's add some more items. Let's add a drink. Want some coffee. Small coffee. There it is. Another $1. As you can see, it automatically updates our shopping cart. Let's add one more item. How about, let's do some ice cream. And we'll select that, updates the cart. In the event that you need to remove an item from the shopping cart, simply slide it to the left and hit delete. Now we're ready to total the order. So we'll click here and it takes us to the transact page. Here at the very top, you can see our total in US dollars, the amount of taxes applied, and the current market rate for DigiByte. Here in the center of the screen, you can see it's automatically created a QR code, which we will scan with our DigiByte mobile wallet. So we simply open up the QR scanner on our mobile wallet, scan the QR code. It automatically populates the fields with the pass-through address of DigiCafe and the total amount of DigiByte owed. So we'll tap on Send. Then we confirm the transaction by either entering our 6-digit PIN or by tapping on the fingerprint scanner on the back of the device. The sending wallet will verify the transaction. In DigiCafe, we select Check Confirmations. Now it processes the transaction through the DigiByte blockchain, and now the funds will show up on our receiving wallet. Once the transaction is complete, we can email the receipt to our customers. We'll just type in my own email address here. We select Receipt. This will open up our email application. which we can then send to ourselves. Here is our receipt, and we can copy and paste the transaction ID into Digi Explorer to check for the confirmations. So we'll paste that in, and here is our transaction on the DigiByte blockchain. The native apps for DigiCafe do incur a nominal fee of 1% per transaction. This is in addition to the network fees of the DigiByte blockchain, which are some of the lowest in the industry, with most transactions just costing a fraction of a cent. Now compare this to other credit card processors such as Square, which charge upwards of 3% plus 30 cents per transaction. But more importantly, with DigiCafe, once a transaction is complete, those funds are yours. There are no chargebacks. There is no third-party custody to arbitrate with. As long as you hold the private keys of your DigiByte wallet, those funds are safe with you. So if you're a business owner and you're ready to accept the fastest, strongest, most versatile digital asset on the planet, you can download the app for free and begin accepting DigiByte within minutes. For more information, visit DigiByteCafe.com, and if you have any questions or would like to submit a feature request, send an email to support@DigiByteCafe.com. Now there's a lot more features and products currently in development, so for the latest updates, make sure you follow DigiCafe on Twitter @GetDigiCafe. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, we'll see you on the blockchain.